Hey everyone, I just wanted to introduce you to Alloy. So this is here in the Livestock Exchange building in Kansas City, Missouri. This is the space. It comes equipped with 6 jeweler's benches. This is where we will host workshops and group classes and wedding band workshops. But you can also become a member and rent one of these benches. These are $95 a month. They come with a chair, a nice bench apron for your sweeps. You've got a bench pen, a daylight spectrum light, and this really great overhanging bar system so that you can just slide the flex shaft left to right depending on whether you're a left-handed user or a right-handed user. So they were custom made for me here in Kansas City. They are absolutely beautiful. In addition to the benches, you have access to what we call the store. So there's just various different tools, supplies, materials, various things that you can purchase there that are available to you while you're in the studio. The best part about this bench setup is that it's all one big table. So when we're in here teaching workshops, you can easily have fun, see the person sitting next to you, and have an experience together instead of facing a wall. So back here we have the lockers. These are for bench members. They come with your membership and you are welcome to keep your tools here. I do not supply a lock. That's something that you'll have to supply. We also have a bunch of various other tools and materials and things that you're welcome to use. So this would all be for patina. We have some different forming mandrels, dust masks, safety glasses, dapping tools, lots of really great stamps. I have some larger tools that you can use too. There's a rolling mill, ring bender, ring stretcher, and compressor. And then this is actually a shear for cutting metal. I have not yet set it up, but it's in the process. This is the library. You are welcome to check out books. There's a lot of really great resources in here. I don't know, sometimes it's hard to learn without a good picture or a good description. So these are all available for you to check out. This guy is the teacher's cabinet. And then we have the soldering station. Everything you need to solder. We do have a Smith torch that's oxygen acetylene, and we also have a couple butane torches, lots of different soldering surfaces, pickle, everything you might need. Great ventilation, just simply turn that on and it pulls all of the air away. So there's also a refrigerator and some water. So that is the main studio. Like I said, this studio is for workshops and classes, and these are rentable benches for $95 a month. It's kind of co-working, so you just show up and whatever bench is open, you're welcome to use. Next door here, through this door, is our designated studio. So these benches are individually rented to one single person. So each person has their own little rack for pliers and tweezers and things. They all have a little light, a bench pen, and locking storage for next to their bench, but then also their drawers. So all of these are spoken for. They are $195 a month, but I would be happy to put your name on the wait list. We're always looking to make sure that, you know, when somebody leaves, we've got somebody who's ready to move in. So yeah, these are super comfortable chairs, really great space, really wonderful lights. And this studio has 2 torches. We have the oxygen propane Little Smith, and then we have the acetylene atmospheric there. So little soldering station. This one ventilates straight to the outside with a reverse fan and the pickle. Nice task lighting too. So yeah, so this is the tour. Please reach out if you have any questions or if you're interested in becoming a member. We're going to be posting about the workshops, the upcoming workshops very soon. So keep your eyes peeled for that and make sure you are a newsletter subscriber. I look forward to hosting you in this space and having so much fun making a bunch of jewelry.